make a butter cookies. A very beautiful cookie. Don't waste time. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. With this recipe, we can make 65 small cookies. We need 450 grams of soft butter. Cut into small pieces, add to a bowl. Add 240 grams of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, and combine well. Using a hand blender, blend it until soft and completely mixed. Add 3 pieces of egg yolk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 3 tablespoons of cream. Give a quick mix. When it's well combined, using a hand blender, beat it and well combine. Make sure you scrape in between. Onto a bowl, 500 grams of flour, 64 grams of cornstarch. Combine well. Sieve in small batches and combine it. Again sieve and combine like this. When the flour mix and the butter are well mixed, preheat the oven to 350 degree Fahrenheit. Make 30 to 35 grams balls like this. At the end, gently a soft press. Don't press it hard. Place it on a tray. Place in the oven and bake for 15 minutes. There is a chance for a little bit of cooking time differences with the quality of the oven you use. Remove from the oven. Be careful, it is very hot. Cool it down completely. You can see a crispy at the bottom and a soft butter cookies ready to serve with the coffee. The butter cookies we just made. It's already it's already quarter already. Because it's so good, so tasty. Enjoy and eat. Don't miss out to give me a support by subscribing my channel Joss Moses Kitchen. Bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you try it.